didn't know, Scratch is a website where you can build code. I used to do it in back in grade 7. I don't remember a single thing about Scratch coding at all. I do not code, but we're not talking about my inability to code. We're gonna be talking about my old projects. We're gonna be looking at my old project. Last modified 6th of May 2019. So this thing hasn't been touched in over 2 years. This is Windows XP. Same here, 22 March. This was made last year actually. Well, let's play my Cube Dash series. This was my first platformer, by the way. Oh wow. Oh whoa, this is glitchy. I can hold the right arrow. Look, if I hold the arrow key here, it just keeps on going until you die. How can you just do that? You can't just teleport. I mean, the gravity works fine, but you can't just teleport there. Yeah, look at that. Oh no, oh no, oh shoot. Okay, yeah, this is actually kind of challenging. But the font and the fact that it's so pixelated, it's sort of Baldi Basic style. It's just super bad. It looks like something from the early 2000s. Oh, you can just do that. You can just do that. Oh, look, a weird lady. Oh shoot, yeah. I'm watching that. Shh. Oh, this is even, I don't think is this possible? Oh my god. Oh, I got it. Oh shoot, the laser. Damn it, how am I gonna... Oh! I'm not doing this. I'm not doing this. Let's see something else. Let's do something. Oh wait, no, this is just a scratch on page. Let's see, Windows E-Lite. Oh, I remember that was kind of glitchy. Let's see my Minecraft story mode knockoff. 567 views, not bad. Look at this update log. Oh wow, yeah. Remember when story mode was a thing? This is terrible. Oh, I just typed in D and... The background music is a little too loud. You can't even hear... It's really hard to hear the... Oh, I can do that. Oh, so... I never finished this. I never finished any of my projects. I don't know. Oh, so you're just gonna say that? Oh. Does it just stop there? that was actually really work in progress for this be like. You know what? Let's look at some. Okay, can't say type appropriate. Let's try a different one. Summer. A scrolling platformer. Okay, well let's try it. Listen to my computer fan. I don't know if you can hear that. Yeah, that's not very comfy. Isn't summer fun? Already, oh god, that's already not normal. Wait. Oh, okay. Pizza, that's a beautiful pizza. Yes, that just completely renders the entire setup pointless. Oh, that's literally it. There's a portal. Oh god, that is already hurting. That's already hurting. Fun but seriously short. Cool, fun but really short. I agree. Love it. Cool. Love tester. Okay. Okay, go ahead. Okay. Oh wow, looks like I only have a 41% chance of loving myself. What else do I want to check out? Oh yeah, Windows E-Lite. Let's try out Windows E-Lite. More loading screens! Oh my god, why did I add these fake loading screens? Oh, that's a startup sound. Settings. Wow, wallpaper. Oh, it even had the time. I'll choose a wallpaper. It didn't change the wallpaper. Yeah, it doesn't work. Whatever. Oh! That looks weird. That's trippy. Windows Game Launcher. Pong. Oh, the idea was to port all my games, like all of my projects, to this one Scratch project. So, cave. Oh god. Oh god. But yeah, I'm gonna close that out. I'm gonna use the camera. Ooh, it even comes like a little thing. Oh, transparency effects. Okay. Oh, this potato camera. Hi! Hi! Alright, we're starting. We got more loading screens. I added these for no reason. Alright, let's... Oh, that sound. Alright. This is the, like, oh, volume slider. Camera! Oh, okay. Microsoft Paint. Oh. Ooh. The latency on this is terrible. Ooh, rainbow lines. Let's boot up Minecraft. .exe. Oh, the volume thing is still there. I don't want you here. I want... Hey, what the heck? Oh, okay, well now... Oh, by the way, literally all you do is press... How do I just close everything? Okay. The blue screen. So funny. Oh my god. Why didn't I just take the actual error screen? Why did I have to make my own? Any key. Where's the any key? Just kidding. Is it literally just a black screen after that?